Example 4. We're going to solve for g where negative g plus 7 equals negative 4g minus 5. Well, just for something different, I thought we would go ahead and move the g that is on the left to get this problem started. You could most definitely move the one that's on the right, but we've moved a lot of things from the right to the left. So I thought we would go ahead and move from the left to the right. It truthfully does not matter. Now we do this, as always, by using our opposite sign. Currently this is a negative g, so its opposite is to add g on both sides of the river. And just like normal, the whole point of this was to get all of the g's, or the giraffes as we might say, onto one side of the river. So this gives us 7 equals, let's see, negative 4 giraffes plus 1 giraffe, as it is understood that that is a 1, is equal to negative 3 giraffes minus 5, as the minus 5 was sitting there waiting to be used. Okay, now that all of the giraffes are on the right side of the river, let's get them alone. We do that by removing the term that is just a constant, that is only purely adding or subtracting first. The opposite of subtracting is still adding. And what you do on one side of the river, yes, you definitely do that to the other side of the river. And that whole point was to make those 5s cancel out. So now the sum of 7 and 5 added together make 12. And that is equal to negative 3 giraffes, as we were stating. And last but not least, we just get rid of this g. Well, we get rid of the negative 3 that is with the g. We get the g all alone by dividing. That's right, because a letter and a number, a variable and its coefficient side by side are multiplying. And the opposite of multiplying is dividing. And what you do on one side of the river, you definitely have to do to the other. And the whole purpose of that was to cancel out your negative 3s. And you know, because you're smart, that a positive divided by a negative is a negative. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And negative 4 is equal to g. And there you go.